Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Patil and today I will be discussing Unit 3 Combinational Logic Circuit. The contents of which are Introduction to Combinational Logic Circuit, Half Adder, Full Adder, Encoder, Decimal to BCD encoder, Decoders, Multiplexers. Multiplexer will be 4:1 multiplexer, Demultiplexer, in that it will be 1:4 demultiplexer. So the first topic is combinational circuit. When two or more than two logic gates are combined together to form a specific function, then that kind of circuit is called combinational logic circuit. In combinational logic circuit, the output at any instant of time depends only on the present combination of inputs. The block diagram for combinational logic circuit is shown, in which it is having n number of input lines and n number of outputs. The first combinational circuit is half adder. Half adder is a combinational logic circuit that adds two numbers and produces outputs at some bit S and carry bit C. The block diagram for half adder is shown, in which the two inputs are A and B and the outputs are sum S carry C. The truth table for half adder is shown, in which when both the inputs A and B are added, that is 0 plus 0 will give output as 0 and carry also as 0. When 1 plus 0 is added, the sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. Similarly, when 1 plus 1 is added, the output will be equal to 1 0, from which sum will be equal to 0 and carry will be equal to 1. From the truth table, it is clear that the sum expression for half adder can be easily constructed from XOR gate, and so sum is equal to A XOR B. And the carry bit will be AND of A and B, and so carry will be equal to A dot B. The realization of sum and carry is shown. The next combinational circuit is full adder. Previously, we have studied what is half adder. Half adder is having one of the drawbacks, because of which we study full adder. One of the main drawback of half adder is its inability to add carry from the previous addition to the next bits. So this is taken care in full adder. As you can see in the block diagram of full adder, it has 3 inputs and 2 outputs. The 3 inputs are A, B and Ci, whereas the 2 outputs are sum and Cout. The truth table for full adder is shown here. In this truth table, we can see that the output of sum is high whenever there are odd number of inputs are high, and the carry bit is high if at least 2 or more than 2 inputs are high. Depending on the truth table of sum and carry for full adder, expression for it can be written. So the expression for sum will be A bar B bar Cn plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus ABC, and the carry out expression will be A bar BC plus A B bar C plus ABC bar plus ABC. These expressions are implemented using logic gates. So the implementation of logic gates is shown. The next combinational circuit is encoder. The encoder is a combinational circuit that converts binary information in the form of 2 raised to n input lines into n output lines, which represents n bit code for the inputs. In encoders, only one line will be active at a time at the input side, based on which the output will be decided. The standard form of encoder is 2 raised to n is to n. For example, 4 is to 2 encoder. Block diagram is shown along with the truth table. So in the truth table, we can see at the input side, at one instant, only one input is high, that is D0, whereas D1, D2, D3 all are 0, depending on which the output Q1, Q0 is 0, 0. Similarly, at next instant, only D1 input is high, whereas other all inputs are 0, for which the output is 0, 1. So, which continues up till D3. So, when D3 is 1, the other inputs will be 0, for which the output will be 1, 1. When all the inputs are 0, the output can be anything. So, this is encoder. The next combinational circuit is decoder. A decoder is a combinational circuit that converts binary information from n input lines to 2 raised to n output lines. It performs exactly reverse operation of encoder. The standard form of decoder is n is to 2 raised to n. For example, 2 is to 4 decoder. In 2 is to 4 decoder, it will have 2 input lines and 4 output lines. From the truth table, we can see that the output of decoder in which only one output is high at a time, depending on the combinations of input. That is, when input is 0, 0, only D0 is high, whereas other all inputs D1, D2, D3 are 0. Similarly, for 0, 1 input, only D1 is high, whereas D0, D2, D3 are zeros, and so on. So, in decoder, only one output will be high at a time, same as encoder. Multiplexer. A multiplexer is a combinational logic circuit which has maximum 2 raised to n data inputs and single output line. The output of multiplexer depends on select lines or control signals. The standard form of multiplexer is 2 raised to n is to 1. The general block diagram for multiplexer is shown. Since multiplexer has 2 raised to n is to 1 standard form, where 2 raised to n represents number of input lines and n represents number of select lines. So, in that, the 4 is to 1 mux. A multiplexer can also be called as mux. Since it is 4 cross 1 mux, it is having 4 input lines D0, D1, D2, D3 and a single output line. If 4 cross 1 is compared with standard form 2 raised to n cross 1, n will be equal to 2 and hence it is having 2 select lines. Depending on the select lines, the output will be decided. So from the truth table, depending on the combinations of input, one of the input lines will be selected at the output. So the select line, whenever the select line is 0, 0, the output y will be equal to D0. When select line will be 0, 1, the output y will be equal to D1 and so on. So depending on this, the expression for 4 cross 1 mux is given. Depending on the expression for 4 cross 1 multiplexer, its logic diagram can be implemented, which is as shown. The next combinational circuit is demultiplexer. Demultiplexer performs exactly reverse operation of multiplexer. It has single input line and 2 raised to n output lines. The output of demultiplexer also depends on select lines. The standard form of demultiplexer is 1 is to 2 raised to n, where 1 represents number of input lines, 2 raised to n represents number of output lines, in which single n represents number of select lines. The general block diagram of demultiplexer is shown. The block diagram for 1 is to 4 demux is shown below. Demultiplexer can also be called as demux. So in 1 is to 4 demux, it will have single input line and 4 output lines y0, y1, y2 and y3. for which there will be only two select lines S1, S0. Here also the output depends on the select lines. So select lines S1, S0 and 4 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. Depending on the combination of select lines, the input will be connected to only one of the outputs. So whenever S0, S1 both will be 0, the input will be connected to output Y0. So Y0 will be equal to Dn. So at next instant, when S1, S0 will be equal to 0, 1, that time the input will be connected to output Y1. So Y1 will be equal to D in, and other all inputs Y0, Y1, Y3 will be equal to 0, and so on. Since Dmux is having 4 outputs, every output will have its own expression. So depending on that, there is logic diagram for 1:4 Dmux, which is as shown.